don't kill me, please, I beg you. I beg you. Please, I beg you.
If I get the mumbai, anya want to more. So get the munobi. Achalugo wama, chai, all mamo. I will never, never let you go, baby. Cause all I have for you is Ifunaya. All I have for you, Achalugo wama robimo. All I feel for you is feel for you, the one that I've been searching for. Try, dinta mo, dinta oh. I can't forget the day you saved my soul. Oh yeah, dikage, nobody pass you. I want to marry you and take you to my place. Hey, cause all
Your bead looks very beautiful. And very expensive at that. It's so beautiful. It's the best bead. I mean, it's the most expensive bead. The best so far I have.
You deserve them, my queen.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, the check it is with that leg.
I'm sorry, my queen. Sorry.
Oh no, I am not happy. I am not happy at all that the prince has left this place for so long a time. There's no word from him. I think I have to pay him a visit myself.
Your Majesty, I think you should give the prince some time. Let him come back on his own. He went there on a good course. For him to travel all the way from Umungu to Ocha to learn blacksmith is something good.
I hate the fact that he's now answerable to somebody who ordinarily should be his subject.
I understand that, but you know that the prince is so humble. I'm sure he wouldn't mind.
He has already spent such a long time. All I want is for him to return to his fatherland. He has a lot to learn from this kingdom.
You're right, Your Majesty. One thing I'm sure is that the time it will take him to come back is shorter than the time he has already spent there.
If you say so, no problem.
And I pray the gods of our land will lead him back to our kingdom safely.
He said, thank you, no. My beautiful queen.
You're welcome, my king.
That's good. You've not been saying anything about our son who left this kingdom for years. You've kept quiet.
That's because he has not sent any words to us. Probably he's getting ready to return.
You know, I never supported his leaving this kingdom to go to another kingdom just to learn blacksmith when he has a lot to learn from this kingdom and learn from me, the Royal Majesty.
Your Majesty, please calm down. Do not involve yourself in unnecessary worries. He will certainly come back soon.
Really?
Yes.
Very well then. I will await his arrival.
Thank God for bringing him home.
Okay.
What are you doing? Coming out from the queen's hut?
It is none of your business.
Alright then, where are you going? Because the queen asked me to call you.
I will be back.
What is even wrong with herself? Did the queen send her somewhere? Let me go and tell the queen.
For the last time, I'm asking this question. What happened to the queen's jewel?
Like I said, Your Majesty, I saw a lady rushing out of the queen's hut with a basket of bead.
A basket of jewelries! My expensive jewelries!
Where is she?
She's not here, Your Majesty. She left.
Ikede! Ikede!
Yes, ma'am.
The queen's bead is missing. I and one of the maidens has made away with those jewelries. I want you to go and get Oledo here. And don't come back here if you're not with her. Go!
Oh my goodness. I can't believe that my basket of jewelry has just gone like that.
I'm going to get her back here and she will provide those gifts.
I never knew that girl is a thief. She almost put you into trouble today.
That means that's your cowries that was missing the other day. Was taken by her.
Akamasi! If you see the way this girl was helping me to look for these cowries, you think she's pitying me?
That's a sign that she was one that took it.
This is so pathetic. I hope she doesn't ever show her face in this palace again.
His Majesty, the King, is ready to punish her. She better submit herself instead of running, because she cannot run forever.
The Queen asked us to come.
Okay.
We need to get her. I think she wants to send us to the market. So we better run to her right now before she gets upset. You know how she is. Let's go. Your Majesty, I will not forgive that girl for stealing the most expensive bead I had.
My queen, don't worry. I'm going to get you more beads.
I know, but she must be punished for this.
Yes. She will not run away forever. She must get all the necessary punishment she deserves. Remember, she's an orphan. There's nobody we're going to hold responsible for her action. She's an orphan.
So I'll just allow my most expensive bead to be lost like that?
No. Tell me the amount of beads you need and I'll provide it. You don't have to worry, Queen. Remember, today is this day our son is going to come back. After 2 years. I don't want you to carry your face like that. Brighten up. You understand?
Thank you, Your Majesty. In that case, let me go and get prepared.
Better. Good. My queen.
Your Majesty, this palm wine tastes so good. The others are really missing.
Trust me. Oh no. I'm now a happy father. My son who left the shores of this kingdom for 2 years is finally back to the kingdom. I'm now very happy because my son is going to take over from me when I depart this kingdom.
Your Majesty, see, we are very proud of the prince. Despite his status as the crown prince of this kingdom, he humbled himself and left the shores of this kingdom to go and learn a trade that will be beneficial to him and the entire kingdom. That should be an example that all young men in this kingdom should learn from. I must tell you that we are really proud of the prince.
Oh no, at first I was not happy that the gods gave me only one child. But when I watched my son grow into a man, a full-grown man, I became happy. I said thanks to the gods because he would take over from me from this kingdom when I must have departed.
Your Majesty, you can say that again. But today is not a day of plenty talk.
You are right.
Let's continue to enjoy our palm wine. Your Majesty.
Oledo, 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 Oledo.
Is the bush meat for sale?
Yes, but not like this. I will take it to my hut and roast it very well. And I'll sell to my customers, alongside a very good palm wine.
Oh, that is so nice.
Thank you.
That means you should have some left at home.
Yes. So, who are you and where are you heading to?
My name is Obonnaya. I am from Umungu. I have been away for too long learning blacksmith with my master. Today, I am returning to my people.
I see. You must be very hungry and tired.
Oh, yes.
I mean, undergoing such a long journey. Okay, I will take you to my house and then give you something to eat.
That would be nice. That would be nice. I would not mind.
Then come.
You're such a beautiful maiden with a heart of gold. I mean, I cannot imagine a beautiful maiden like you, a hunter. That says a lot about you. I can see the hard work in you already.
I will take all of that as a compliment. Thank you.
Take me to your heart.
Sure, come. Hope you're enjoying it.
Yes. Thank you so much, beautiful maiden. The meat is well spiced. I am enjoying it.
Thank you.
As for the palm wine, I've had enough. I just have to watch it. My journey is far. Remember I told you I'm traveling to Umungu?
Yes. You're close to your destination. So before dawn, you'll arrive.
You're right.
Remind me your name.
Obonnaya. Yes. So tell me, how much should I pay you for the meat and palm wine?
No, you don't need to pay anything. I was just being nice to a traveler. Don't worry.
No. I have to pay. You sell them. You do not have to joke with your business. Moreover, it is my little token of appreciation.
Finish your food first.
Would you want to have some?
No, I will eat later.
Thank you again.
Look at you. You're looking so gorgeous.
Thank you so much, my queen, and you look so pretty.
Thank you so much. I love those beads on you.
Thank you so much, my queen, for making me look this gorgeous.
You know what? The prince will soon be here. He will soon arrive. And I know he will love you. Come on, come on. Let's go and see the king. I know you like to see it.
You're welcome, my prince.
You're welcome, my prince.
The king asked us to come and receive you.
Thank you.
The king asked you to change into this, your royal robe.
Are all this necessary?
It is very necessary, my prince. You royalty.
This is my happiest day. My son is finally back. Yes. And looking very fresh.
Very fresh. Very strong too. Hey, my son. Brother, you're welcome once more.
And you're welcome.
You know,
Thank you, mother.
at first I wasn't happy you left the shores of Umungu Kingdom for such a long time. But now I'm happy you are back, looking very strong. I'm ready to walk. We are going to call for celebration.
Yeah.
The villagers will be invited to come and dine and wine with us.
That would be nice. That would be nice. Honestly, Father, it has been seasons of wonderful experience. I am happy I left. Equally happy to be back home. I want to tell you, Father, that I have learned a lot.
God.
I have learned so much. I'll tell you later.
Yes, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, Amoureux.
You're welcome, my prince.
Oh, thank you.
Son, you're welcome once more. Your hut is well arranged with the most expensive, beautiful fabrics. New one at that. And you will go in and rest. So I will send you your food later because you need a lot of strength for the occasion later.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you.
That's a brilliant idea.
Yes. Father, I beg to take my leave. Let me retire to my hut. I need a lot of rest. Oh no, thank you. Mother.
Oh, you're in here? Oh, my God.
If you don't mind, can I escort you to your house?
My son, now that you are back and settled in, it is time to get you a bride. Because you need a woman by your side.
You're right, Father. You're right. But I need to take my time to find the right one.
Son, no, you don't need to. That's why Chizaram is here. Or don't you like her?
You have the right to choose a bride for yourself. We can also choose for you. Or do you want us to organize a maiden dance? From there you choose the one you want?
I thought of that by saving you the stress and also getting you the best.
You should not have done that, Mother. Yes. I will go in search of my wife myself. I do not need your help or a maiden dance.
Fine. You can also give her a chance. If she does not suit you, then you can get another one and let her go.
My friends, I'm really happy that you're back. I've been waiting for you.
What did my mother tell you?
She said we are going to get married and I'm going to be the crown princess of this kingdom.
That is beautiful.
Thank you, my friends.
So, do you have what it takes to be the crown princess of this kingdom?
Yes, of course. I'm the most beautiful among them all. My prince, Am I not beautiful?
I can see. Indeed, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
But beauty is not all it takes. Chizaram. That is your name, right?
Yes.
Return to your hut. I'll see you later.
My prince, the queen. Am I not beautiful? Or is the queen lying to me? Beautiful now.
And why haven't the stranger showed up? I thought he would be back by now. If not for anything, but to patronize my business. I guess I might never see him again.
So, tell me, you actually went to learn blacksmith?
Yes. And I am happy I am going back home.
Okay. Will you establish your own blacksmith?
Hopefully. I would love to have my blacksmith space.
Nice. Very nice.
Yes. So, you stay here alone?
I was staying with my grandmother before I lost her.
I am sorry about that.
Thank you.
Honestly, I enjoyed the food. I wish we could have someone like you in my kingdom.
Well, I wanted to be coming every market day, but the stress would be too much on me. So, I didn't consider it again.
My journey is indeed a blessed one. I met a beautiful maiden with a heart of gold. Thank you so much for hosting me.
May the gods be praised.
Is it? Oh. Obialije.
Una?
Yes. Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
You too.
I don't know. I wish to see that traveler one more time. I hope someday he will stop by. Because I only know his name. I don't even know where to find him.
My lady.
Please, I need some space.
But I just wanted to...
I said I need some space.
Okay.
Greetings, my queen.
Sit. What bothers you, my beautiful Chizaram?
My queen, the prince has not looked my way since he came back. Even after introducing me to him, he seemed not to like me.
The prince just arrived. He's trying to settle down. Will not look the way of a pretty maiden like you.
I don't know. My queen. That's fine. I just want him to understand that I came here for him.
Don't worry. I understand how you feel. But I promise you, very soon, everything will be good. Okay? So now, can the maid bring your food?
Your Majesty, the people of Ugede Kingdom are eating deep into our land. And they're claiming where the boundary used to be that is no longer there. Now, trespassing into our land.
Oh no, don't mind them. They want to know what we can do. Or to be troublesome like they are. But I've sent one to their king that if they repeat such, there will be war. And the entire kingdom will go in for it.
Your Majesty, you cannot go to their level. I am sure their king will call them to order. I'm sure they will get your message.
They better do. They better do.
Your Majesty, how is the prince? I think by now we should be talking about his marriage.
Yes, I've told the prince what is involved. It's for him to choose a wife for himself.
I'm sure he'll make a wise choice because our kingdom is blessed to have a prince like him.
Yes. Thank you, Ono. From this point down there to that palm tree over there, you can see it.
Yes.
Down to this side. All these are the lands that belongs to us.
Ah.
Yes.
Honestly, Father, I never knew all those lands. I mean, all of them, even these ones, are for us. Omongo is really big and blessed.
Yes. Very big, blessed. And I'm doing this to make sure by the time you take over from me, you're going to do it better.
Of course. Of course. You shall live long, Father.
Don't you ever forget the boundaries.
I will not, Father.
That's good.
I have really learned a lot today.
That's very good.
Yes.
I think we have had enough for today. We'll leave the rest for the next time. Let's go back to the palace.
Son?
Yes, Mother.
You see that maid in Chizaram? Do you like her enough to start something with her?
I am yet to decide. But I will rather suggest you let her go.
No, son. She stays till you've decided.
Why, mother?
Because she's the best.
On what ground? Beauty? But I do not want just beauty. I want more than that.
I know, son. But you have to give her a chance. You can never know.
Excuse me, mother.
Prince Obunaya, we're not done talking. Where are you going? Obunaya, come back, we're not done talking.
If I get the mumbai, anya want to more. So get the munobi. Achalugo wama, chai, ola mamo. I will never let you go, baby. Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you is Alugo Wamarobimo. All I feel for you is Ifunanya. Feel for you, Evo, the one that I've been searching for. Try, dinta oh. I can't forget the day you saved my soul. Oh, Nyedikage, nobody passes you. I want to marry you and take you to my place. Hey, 'cause all I have for you is
I am so happy to see you. I thought you were not going to come back.
I am happy to see you too. You thought I will never come back?
Yes.
No. I have always had the thought of you in my head. Just that I have been busy in my kingdom. But here I am to see my wonderful host.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So tell me, what do I offer you? I have fresh palm wine and I have meat. I caught it this morning, Anunchi.
No. It is too early. I will do that later, please.
Okay, give me some time. I will be in the kitchen.
Good to see you again.
Same here.
Around. You're still around?
Yes, my queen. I've been waiting and I didn't see the prince. They said he left since morning and he didn't tell anybody where he was going to.
Are you serious?
Yes, my queen.
The prince left the palace without his royal guards. The guards must have some explanation to give. Guards! Guards!
My queen.
Where is the prince?
The prince left the palace this early morning. He refused any of us following him. We thought he was just going out for his tour.
And up till now he's not yet back?
Yes, my queen.
How can the prince leave the palace without his royal guards? You can leave now. You can wait for me in my hut. I need to speak to the king, his majesty. The prince must not leave the palace without his royal guards.
You are a good hunter. It is obvious you make so much money from it. But You never told me you are also a farmer.
My grandmother left me with a farmland. I hire people to work for me there. And I usually go there whenever I'm free.
That is impressive. Yes. Your grandmother must be a great woman to have raised a strong woman like you.
Thanks for the compliment.
You're welcome. Why are you good to me? I mean, to a stranger.
My grandmother always say that whatever good you do for a stranger is the best thing you can do for humanity.
Thank you for always feeding me.
You're welcome. And thank you for coming.
I admire everything about you. You're perfect. Very perfect. I think you have walked far. You have to go back to ensure your compound is safe. I'll see you soon.
You promise to come back soon?
Of course, I will.
Okay. May the gods lead you safe.
Please, take care of yourself.
I will. You too.
I will.
You left everybody worried, son. You left this palace without telling us where we're going. And you left without a royal robe. What happened?
I am sorry, Father. I went to the neighboring kingdom to see a friend.
And who is this friend of yours that I do not know? You know, I know Arinze, your childhood friend. What are you talking about?
Father, you will know this person soon.
He or she? You are not specific.
Father, please. I am so tired. I need to rest.
Well, I've instructed the guards to be following you wherever you go. And you have to dress in a full royal robe. Do you understand that?
I have heard you, Father.
Thank you.
Chizera, my beautiful daughter-in-law to be.
My queen.
You know, when I was like you, I was stubborn, fearless, and very pretty. Only real men there came my way. Until I met His Royal Majesty, the King, who happened to be the prince then.
My queen, you are still very pretty and ageless. I just wish the prince would come my way.
When he realizes your worth and what he stands to lose, he dare not say no. It's all my fault. I made him have everything he needs. But he's not appreciating us. No worry, I know my son. He will come around.
I just hope so, my queen.
I know so. Cheer up. Cheer up, okay?
Greetings, my queen. The food is ready.
can serve us here.
More. Hey! I find I put it here. Who not carry my cassava now? Who carry my... I kept it here. We shall never be where we don't persecute.
My prince, you're not saying anything about us. Is it that you don't find me attractive or what? Or I am not worthy enough? You've not even said any kind word to me.
I do not know the promises my mother made to you, especially about us. But I want you to erase it from your head, because it will not work. There is no us, and there will never be us.
Don't say that, my prince. I am good for any man. Why are you not looking at me? I'm so beautiful.
Any man you said, and not I, Prince Ogbonnaya, the crown prince of Umungu Kingdom. No doubt, Chizaram, you are a beautiful maiden. If it pleases the gods, you will find yourself a suitable man. Not me. I do not want to discuss this again. I have been telling you to stay off my back. I do not want to go out with any guard.
My prince, I don't mean to get you angry. But this is an order from the king. I don't wish to disobey that.
I do not wish to disobey him either. But I need my privacy. Where I am headed is not far from here. You can stay here and wait. I'll be back soon.
But my prince, you are not even on your royal robe.
It does not matter.
If I get the mumbai, anya wutu tumo, so gidi munobi. Achalugo wama, chai ola mamo. I will never let you go, baby. 'Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you. All I feel for you is feel for you. The one that I've been searching for. Try. Dinta oh. I can't forget the day you saved my soul. Oh, Nyedikage. Nobody passes you. I want to marry you and take you to my place. Hey. 'Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you. All I feel for you is feel for you. The one that I've been searching for. All I have for you is Ifunanya, my love for you. Everything that I feel for you. Oh my little baby, oh. The one that I've been searching for. Ifeke de momai anya wotutu mo sonsogi di munobi achalugo wama chai ola mamo. I will never let you go, baby. 'Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you. All I feel for you is feel for you. The one that I've been searching for.
I told you to follow the prince wherever he goes. What nonsense are you talking about?
Your Majesty, it's not my fault. He ordered me to stay somewhere and wait for him.
Are you saying my son is missing or what?
I waited for him. I didn't see him, so I returned back. I left the spot he told me to wait for him.
Greetings, father. Greetings, mother.
Son, what is going on? You left all of us worried. And you asked the guard not to follow you. What is wrong?
So many questions, father. Well, I went out. I did not want any guard. For I am not a child. I can take care of myself. I must not go out all the time announcing to everyone that I am a prince. Please.
But you left us all worried.
I am sorry, mother. I am sorry, father.
Don't worry.
I'll be in my hut. I'm tired.
I've instructed the guards to follow you wherever you go.
Okay, father.
Look at him. Look at him.
Thank God he's back.
Ifeke de momai anya wotutu mo sonsogi di munobi achalugo wama chai ola mamo. I will never let you go, baby. 'Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you. All I feel for you is feel for you. The one that I've been searching for. Try. Dinta oh. I can't forget the day you saved my soul. Oh, Nyedikage. Nobody passes you. I want to marry you and take you to my place. Hey. 'Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you. All I feel for you is feel for you. The one that I've been searching for. All I have for you is Ifunanya. my love for you. Everything that I feel for you. Oh, my little baby, oh. The one that I've been searching for. Na, 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 na. Yele, yele, le, le. Oh, oh, oh. Chai. Pipi ngwanya makage. Nyamakage.
Why did you shout?
That meat is big. The bush meat is very big.
I know it's big. So where is it?
It was there.
You're not supposed to shout. Now the meat has run away.
Hey!
Let me show you.
But did you saw it?
I saw it.
Eh?
You don't shout. You're not supposed to shout. This is how you hold your hand.
Okay.
Put your hand here.
Oh, okay.
Then aim. Aim very well. You don't need to make a sound. Aim. And then shoot. Are you scared?
Oh. The sound.
Try.
So you're not scared of this?
No.
How long have you been shooting animals?
4 years.
4?
Yes. Let's go again. You want to try more?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Squat a little.
Right.
Put your hand.
Should I close my eyes?
Why would you? How will you not see the meat? What are you doing?
Oh, I thought you said I should place my jaw.
Look straight.
Okay.
Look straight. Bring the front down a little bit.
No. It was a mistake. I didn't know when I pushed the trigger. I'm sorry.
Your father said you found a woman better than my own choice. Is that true?
Obone, that's what your mother said. That she cannot believe you can make a choice better than the one she has chosen for you.
I am sorry to disappoint you, mother. I have found the woman of my dream. A woman I am proud of. You just have to get used to the fact that your choice for me will not work.
Son, I'm so eager to see this woman of your dream. And it is time for you to introduce her to us.
Very well then. I'll do that, father.
I'm waiting to see this woman that so blind you that you did not see the precious, beautiful maiden I offered to you on a platter of gold.
Do not worry, mother. You will see her very soon. And believe me, you will like her. You're going to like her.
You're here this early.
Yes. That is to tell you that whatever makes me come this early is very important and dear to me.
Why are you here? I was about going to the stream to have my bath.
I could be a great company, if you do not mind.
Sure, I don't mind. Let me get my things.
I will never, never let you go, baby. Cause all I have for you is Ifunanya. All I have for you. All I feel for you is.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
My parents want to meet my woman. I told them I have made my choice.
Who is your choice?
You. I remember everything that happened the last time. And I cherish every moment spent with you. All I am asking is, if forever with you, please.
I can't go a day without thinking about you. I don't know how to explain it or how it happens. All I know is that you have become a part of me. And that part, I will forever cherish.
This feeling is mutual. Olam, I want to officially ask you to be my woman. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
This is something I wish for. I will be the happiest woman to have you by my side.
Thank you. Thank you for finding me worthy. I love you.
I love you too.
son?
Father, I'm so excited.
What is the good news?
I will be introducing the maiden after my heart to you and mother first thing tomorrow.
That's very good. Tell her she's welcome in the palace anytime, any day.
Thank you, Father. Expect us tomorrow.
That's good. I have fresh palm wine. Join me.
Of course. But let me get something from my heart. I'll be right back.
Quickly. I'm waiting. That's good. That's very good. That's very good.
What are we doing here? Are you a prince?
Yes. I needed you to accept me for me, not for status.
What else? What else do I not know about you?
I am Prince Obonaya, the crown prince of this kingdom. And you, my love, you are going to be the crown princess of this kingdom. Come with me.
Hey, stop it there! How dare you? How dare you?
What was that for? What did you just do?
She stole my beast, my most expensive beast, and ran away with it.
Mother, stop! Stop this!
What are you talking about?
She is my guest! You are embarrassing my guest!
What are you saying? How?
Why you are denying it?
Calm down.
You want to deny it? Get!
Mom!
Pick her up and lock her up! Bundle her! Bundle these things!
There's a music.
Do not touch her. Do not touch her! Why would you say a thing like that, Father? Why?
Son, are you well at all? Are you okay? Are you saying we're lying against the maiden that she's not a thief? Is that what you are saying? I'm beginning to understand something else from you.
That maiden was working here as a maid until she stole my beads and ran away. You can ask anyone in this palace. There is no way we all can be lying against her.
Honestly, I do not understand this. I do not understand it, Mother. She never knew I was a prince. She only got to know when I brought her here. So why did she not run away? Why did she not run away knowing full well she had committed an offense?
I don't care about all these questions. All I want is my beads. She must provide my beads.
Son, a thief is not good enough for you as a wife. Never.
As far as I'm concerned, my choice for you still remains the best.
I need you to tell me the truth. Did you do it?
I didn't. This is my first time of stepping my feet into this kingdom. And that's because of you. I have never been here before.
Are you trying to say that my parents and the entire royal household are lying against you?
You have to believe me, my love. I am not a thief. I have never stolen anything before. I am telling you the truth. I am not a thief. I didn't do it.
It was supposed to be a good day. A happy day. But it has turned out to be my worst nightmare. I am not convinced.
Obona, you have to believe me. I am not a thief. I did not do it.
Keep quiet. You're disturbing the peace of this palace.
I didn't do it! I did not!
Greetings, my prince. Your food is ready to be served.
Take it away, I'm not hungry.
But my prince.
I said take it away.
Okay, my prince. Let me have it.
What is the meaning of this?
My prince, I'm so disappointed. I mean, you have someone like me and you're about starving yourself to death just because of that thief. It's not nice. You have to eat something.
If you do not leave here at once, you will not like what will happen to you.
My prince, you're shouting
at me. Get out! Get out! Get away!
So, you are the ugly thing that wants to snatch my man away from me, right?
Who are you?
She's asking who I am. Okay, I'll tell you my day. I am Chizaram, the betrothed bride to the prince. You know, I thought he was avoiding me for a good reason. I never knew he was giving me attitude because of a thief like you.
Too many problems. One day.
And you've not even started. There is more to see. And let me remind you, you are very, very ugly.
With all due respect, my lady, you have to leave here right now. His Majesty won't take it lightly when we see him here.
I've heard you.
I didn't do it. I'm not a...
Shut up. You're talking.
Do not mind him, okay? If he likes, let him starve to death. I will not allow that.
I'm so disappointed, my queen. Imagine who he's leaving me for. A maid and a thief.
I'm also very disappointed. But don't worry, everything is sorted out.
I'm not leaving yet, my queen. I just want to be here for a little more time.
Fine. If you need anything, just call the maids.
Okay, my queen.
Your Majesty, what are you going to do to that girl?
I'm yet to decide the kind of punishment to give to her. Because I want to involve the Ono and also the elders. Then we can now decide the adequate punishment to give to her.
Fine, that is a good one, Your Highness.
With due respect, mother, you need to speak to that idiot. That idiot you call your best choice. I mean, why would she insult Olama? Is she mad? Has she lost her sense of reasoning?
Son, look at how loving the wrong woman has turned you into. Bringing out the bad side of you that doesn't even exist.
If she does not stop coming to this palace, I will do something to her that you will not like. Excuse me.
Imagine that.
In the true sense of it, she's not supposed to go and insult that maiden. And you know it.
Fine, I will speak to her. I will also talk to the prince. Yes, I will invite the elders and the Ezemo. Because I don't understand this anymore. I don't understand this, my king. Son, I heard you've not been eating your food for days now. Why?
How do you expect me to eat? When I brought a maiden home and you connived with father to lock her up.
Son, watch it. Better watch it. There is no way I'm going to allow you get married to that thief. If Chizaran is not okay for you, then you can get someone better.
I will not marry anyone. It is either Olama or no one else.
Stop deceiving yourself because you will get married. Yes, you will get a wife. You will get married, but certainly not that thief. You're not going to get married to that thief. You will marry and get me children. Yes.
I don't want to eat. I said, I don't want to eat.
Please. Eat something. No matter how small.
Do you believe me when I say I am innocent of this accusation?
I believe you. But there is nothing I can do. My hands are tied. I just need you to eat something, please.
I want to leave here. It's no longer funny. I want to go.
You will go. You will. Oh, please.
I want to be left alone.
I am sorry for putting you through all this. I am deeply sorry, please.
Go, please. Leave me alone. Just go.
Bola. The girls are not here.
Son, I'm really disappointed in you. I'm really disappointed in you. That's exactly what you did today. You want her to escape?
But father, she's innocent.
Then your father, is a liar. Is that what I'm saying? Because I allowed you to have access to where she's locked up. That's why you had the gut to do what you did. God, pick her up, lock her back where she was locked. First thing tomorrow morning at cockcrow, I'll tell you where to go and lock her up beyond the shores of this Umungu kingdom.
Father,
where you will not have access to her.
What are you saying, father?
My king, I am innocent. Please believe me.
She's innocent!
Son, be focused. Pick her up.
I am innocent, my king. I didn't do anything also. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I am innocent.
She is not even telling the truth. For us to know how we're going to pardon her. And we are saying she's innocent. Better go to sleep.
Ifekede momai anyanwụ tutu mo sonsogidi mu nobi achalugo nwama chai ola mamo I will never let you go, baby, 'cause all I have for you is ifunanya. All I have for you achalugo nwama robi mo. All I feel for you is.
Let me help you wash your feet.
No. Must you do that?
Yes. It will make you feel relaxed. And it's also a genuine way to prove my loyalty to you. So let me.
Oh, wait.
Ifekede momai anyanwụ tutu mo sonsogidi mu nobi achalugo nwama chai ola mamo I will never let you go, baby, 'cause all I have for you is ifunanya. All I have for you achalugo nwama robi mo. All I feel for you is feel for you, Evo, the one that I've been searching for. Chai, dinta oh. I can't forget the day you saved my soul. Onyedikage, nobody pass you. I want to marry you.
Those are mine. How did you escape?
Escape from where? Who are you?
How could you ask me that, Ola? Do you not recognize me? It is me, Obonna.
Wait! Ola, wait!
That is Olamma. I do not need her for anything. I just want to see her and ask her some questions. Where is she?
Well, my prince, I cannot disclose that to you right now. The king specifically asks us not to.
It is necessary. I am telling you, it is necessary. Because something came up. I just need to make my findings.
You can actually discuss with His Majesty. Then he will now give us the order to do so.
You are a fool. You are a fool.
Thank you.
Obonnaya, I don't want you to use these tactics on me. It will never work. Because the person you saw is not her. Maybe somebody else.
Father, I am not lying to you. I went to the river, the one almost at the end of the kingdom, that the villagers complain of the distance. I went there to cool off my head when I saw this maiden. She looks exactly like Oloma, father. But there is something strange about her. Father, do you know she was almost living with my staff before I walked in on her? I just want you to see reasons with me. Please.
Obonnaya, you know that this story you are telling me right now does not make any sense to you. Neither does it make sense to me.
Father, listen. There could be something wrong somewhere. Believe me.
Obonnaya, this is obvious that this is a tactic for you to tell you where she's locked up. But I will not tell you.
Father.
Leave my presence now. Obonnaya, you're here again. What is it?
For I know what I'm saying. I know what I saw. I am not a child. Honestly, Father, I need you to look into this issue. There is a mix-up somewhere.
Oh, you want me to release her? And say she's innocent?
No, Father. I am not saying you should release her. But I need you to assign some guards to me, to go in search of that maiden. I want to know who she is.
What if she's a spirit?
Father, she's not a spirit. She's human.
Very well then. I will assign some guards to follow you in search of this maiden you've been talking about.
Thank you, Father.
Prince, I've asked around. No one seems to know her. I've asked every single passerby, but no one seems to know who she is.
Let us go to the next village, my prince.
Let us go. Where is that sound coming from? Where is that sound coming from? Come!
Hey! Hey! Stop it!
Get up!
Hey!
Hey! That is her!
Yes.
Move her! She is the thief! Move her! That is the maiden I was talking to you about. She is the thief.
Are you the one that stole the queen's beads?
Without being asked, father. Yes.
Are you sure? The maiden in the cell is still there? If she's still there, go and bring her here.
She's still there, father. I saw her this morning before leaving. She's there.
What's happening here? What's going on?
Mother, that is the thief.
Now come with me.
I am confused.
Who are you?
Father, you've seen it. I told you. Take a look at them. What's really happening?
Ọ na-abụ afọ ekwughị ogbu okenye mana ekwu anọghị ogbu ụmụazụ. Your Majesty, you don't need to be confused. For the gods have revealed why the destined future wife of the prince has a duplicate.
This is a mystery. I've never had this kind of thing before.
Several years ago, in a kingdom where twins are not allowed, a woman gave birth to a set of twins, and this happened. That was how the twins were separated from each other. And their mother kept this a huge secret till her death. Because they were not together, that was why one of them was possessed with the spirit of stealing. They were supposed to be together, do everything together. The one with the woman is the one that is possessed.
The woman I called grandmother, she never told me anything about my parents.
That woman was an abandoned, childless woman. She was bullied and called a witch. She was meant never to have a child of her own. But you brightened her life till death.
Now that things are like this, what do we do?
A cleansing ritual will be performed on her.
And if I may ask, what is she going to do for the cleansing?
Your Majesty, I will come back with that.
This is so strange.
More than strange.
Very strange.
Iyi ojii, iyi dị ọcha, iyi dị ọcha, iyi dị ọcha. Anyị abịagwo ka anyị nụchaa ọlaedo, ka anyị nụchaa chụpụ ya mmụọ. Mmụọ bụ mmụọ ọjọọ na-enye nsogbu. Mmụọ ntụtụ, mmụọ nwere, mmụọ nzuru. Wepụ ya o, wepụ ya. Wezuga ya ebe ọ nọ, wezuga ya ebe ọ nọ. Nekwe ya. Anyị wetara ọjị, nekwenụ ya, ọjị were na ya taa. Anyị jikwa na ose, were na-ese, wee na-esere Olisa, si ọlaedo, hapụrụ na ya, nụchara na ya, wepụrụ na ya mmụọ ori, ka o nwere onwe ya, n'Eke, n'Orie, n'Afọ, na Nkwọ, were na ya. O wee bụ ndị egede, ndị mbụ nekwenụ nke unu, oru onye oru ibie, nekwenụ ya, taanụ n'ogbe ka anyị ji bịa. Unu nwe ngwa jidenu ya, n'Eke, n'Orie, n'Afọ, na Nkwọ, ngwa jidenu ya. Ndị mmụọ na ndị egede, unu nabatakwa? Ọ dị mma. Ọlaedo, they have accepted this sacrifice. We will now cleanse you of all evil spirits, of stealing, of cheating, of pilfering.
May the gods be praised.
He say, that is it.
Onye eze, kene?
Eze mmụọ.
It is done, Your Majesty. She is now free from all forms of evil possession.
Thank you, Ezemo. You have done very well.
This sacrifice will bring love and peace to the royal household and extended to the entire kingdom.
Ezemo, thank you once more.
Thank you.
Obiari Jenguna.
Thank you so much, my king. Thank you so much, my queen. My queen, I still have your basket of beads. I haven't touched any of them. I will go and bring it.
No. Don't worry, I'm no longer upset. Come to me, my dear. I'm so glad that gods have turned everything to blessings.
Thank you, my queen.
She's around. I'm so sorry for all the pains you went through. I really wish you to be my daughter-in-law. But destiny took a different turn.
My queen, are you trying to say that I'm not going to marry the prince again?
Obviously. Dear, please.
It's so sad I've been wasting my time all this while.
The gods are wiser than all men. I thought the best for you, but the gods had a different tone.
My queen, the gods should have done their own part instead of allowing me humiliate myself this way. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Do not speak ill of the gods. This is a gift for you. I'm sorry.
Ife kidi mumai anya wututu mo sonso gidi munobi achalugo wama chai ola mamo I will never let you go, baby.
Greetings, father. Greetings, mother. My son, Odogu, Omekania, please kneel. I cannot understand your choice is the best.
Thank you, Father.
Henceforth, you are now husband and wife.
Thank you, Father.
Unugamuneke.
Ise.
Womanoye.
Ise.
Womanafo.
Ise.
Womanakwo.
Ise.
Unugamunwoke.
Ise.
Womanwine.
Ise. Ise. Thank you, Father.
I'm so grateful.
Thank you. Thank you, Father. Thank you,
You're
Father.
welcome.
Father, can we rise?
You can rise. That's beautiful. Can you see what I'm seeing?
Yes, she's the best.
All I feel for you is feel for you. The one that I've been searching for. All I have for you is Ifunaya. My love for you. Everything that I feel for you. Oh my little baby, oh.